In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jotform tables, guiding you through each step to make your data handling much more efficient and streamlined. Let's begin by accessing Jotform tables. First, log into your Jotform account. Once you're in, head over to My Forms. Here, select the form you want to work with and click on Table. Alternatively, you can go directly to Jotform tables via the main menu, which is a great shortcut if you regularly manage your submissions. Now that you're in, let's understand the layout of Jotform tables. Each row you'll see represents a single form submission. So think of it as a neat way to visualize each submission you've received. Moving horizontally, each column corresponds to a form field like name, email, or product, which allows you to quickly compare data across submissions. You also have several viewing options: grid, calendar, Kanban, card, and list. These views provide different ways to visualize your data depending on your preference or specific needs. For example, the calendar view is invaluable for scheduling and deadlines, while Kanban is great for project management workflows. Once you're familiar with the layout, it's time to add or edit data. To input new information, click plus Add Row to manually insert data. This is particularly useful if you gather additional data offline that you wish to keep with your online submissions. Editing is straightforward. Simply click on a cell and modify its content as needed. Should you need more specific data columns, click plus Add Column. You'll then choose the type of column you want, whether it be text, number, dropdown, date, and so on. This additional customization allows your table to cater specifically to your data collection needs. Managing data effectively requires filtering and sorting. You can use the filter icon for displaying only the rows that meet certain criteria. This saves you time by narrowing down exactly what you need to view. Sorting is just as simple. By clicking on the column headers, you can sort your data in ascending or descending order, quickly reorganizing the information to highlight what's most important. To enhance data analysis, Jotform Tables provides formula columns. This feature allows you to set calculations like totals, averages, or any custom computation, such as multiplying quantities and prices. For example, a basic formula like in quantity price can automatically calculate total sales, making it easier to understand metrics at a glance. Another powerful Jotform tables feature is linking tables. This is achieved using lookup or relationship columns. This feature lets you dynamically reference data from other tables or forms, offering a way to interconnect your data sources seamlessly, perfect for creating detailed reports. For collaborative projects, inviting team members to view or edit a table is seamless. Moreover, using comments on specific rows ensures effective communication within the team, keeping everyone aligned. Finally, Jotform Tables makes it easy to export or share your data. You can export your table as an Excel, CSV, or PDF file, making offline reviews straightforward. Additionally, sharing via a link or embedding it onto a website means your data can reach any stakeholder promptly. And that's how you effectively use Jotform Tables to enhance your data management process. Thank you for joining me today, and we hope you find this tool as useful as we do.